Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys have found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you guys like to see other helpful tutorials, tips, and tricks on the Note 8, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn an alarm on, how to set it, how to get everything set up on the Note 8. So what we're going to want to do is start off by going onto your home screen and just press and hold. You will feel a little vibration and this screen will zoom out and then a couple options will appear. Right down here we see widgets. Go ahead and select that, and from here go ahead and just type in alarm. As you can see, there it is. I went ahead and tapped it, and it tells me to touch and hold, and this way you can drag and drop, put it wherever you want your alarm to be. So once we have it on the home screen, I'm going to go ahead and deselect the blue, and I'm going to tap here to create an alarm. And at this point, I can just go ahead and pick the time I want, AM, PM, fairly simple. And if you want it to repeat, so let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's a work alarm. You can set a name for it, whatever name you set, it's going to go ahead and save it there. So down here we have the snooze button. Down in snooze we have options for intervals from 5 to 10, 15, and 30 minutes, and 3 times, 5 times, or continuously. The 3 times means that the alarm will give you the option to snooze 3 times. After 3 times it is done. It will not do it anymore. There's a 5 times option and a continuous. Continuous pretty much means it'll keep snoozing, it'll keep snoozing until you tell it to stop, that you told it you're awake and it's no longer going to ring the alarm. Next we have the tone, alarm tone. You can pick whatever sound you want. You can add one from your phone. That's just an option that's there. There is a volume for how loud it is. So if you want it to go quiet, you can go ahead and select that. And there's also the option to gradually increase in volume. So it'll start quiet, and as the alarm goes off, it'll get louder and louder and louder. So those are those options. And next we have the options for a vibration. So there are different vibrations to it. You might not have heard that, but they do have different vibration. I wouldn't call them sounds, tones. They do give it a little different vibration going. So if you can set it to whatever you want, let's say you don't want a vibration, you can go ahead and just turn that off, and it'll be off. It won't vibrate. And if you wanted to turn it on, you can change these settings over here. And then there's the read time aloud. So once your alarm's going off, it'll read it out loud. You'll be able to hear it, alarm going off at 2:42 a.m. And then if you want that, go ahead, turn it on. If not, just deselect it and it will be off. And at this point, let's go ahead and select save. And here it shows us our alarm, 2:42 a.m. Name of the alarm right underneath that. It's going to repeat Monday through Friday. As you can see, it's selected. It's in that blue color with that alarm clock showing lit to blue. Let's say for whatever reason you don't work that week, you don't need that alarm, you can go ahead and deselect it. It's still saved on your phone, it's not deleted. It just won't be going off for that week. Once the week is done, you can go ahead and select it and turn it off. If you wanted to set an alarm for a specific date, there's a little option up here at the top. Go ahead and select that, and let's say February 28th is what we want. Once it's set, we hit done. As you can notice that the repeat options have been turned off. Let's go ahead and save this alarm. As you can see, it shows that February 28th, the alarm will be going off 2:42 a.m. and the alarm is on. If you want to add a second alarm, what you're going to want to do is press and hold again and just add another widget. Add the alarm widget. Once again, drag and drop, deselect, and then tap it, add your alarm. Right down here, there is an add button, so you can add it whatever you want. Once you have it set, you can go ahead and save. For turning these widgets off, what I do is just turn it off like that and then press and hold, and you can go ahead and remove it. Same thing, just deselect it, press and hold, and remove it. And let's say you wanted to add an alarm later on, you will see that these alarms are still there. So we go here to create, we can see the old alarms that we had set. If you don't want them for whatever reason, just go ahead and select them and you can delete them and it gets rid of them. Select it like that, delete it, and they're gone and you have no alarms. So that is how you turn the alarm on and off on a Note 8. Hope you guys found this video helpful. We went through some of the settings that go along with the alarm. Hope those were helpful as well. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.